Hey everybody, we're out here on the trailer and I have got the other windows put in. You look over there on the other side of the RV. That's the other window. The trailer is completely finished on the outside and sealed. Now, up on the roof of it, there is a seal coat and the whole trailer has been sealed. So it has a very heavy coat after all the patching. The air conditioner is hanging off a set of straps right there so that we can pull it out. And that air conditioner will go down on the top of a cargo trailer. A little cover up for the Holiday Rambler emblems. And we've even got the wiring completely finished on it, so all the wiring is done. And you can see here, there's our little lights. And I want you to look at this little gal back here on the back, mounted on standoffs. So that gets to ride on the back of this trailer. So you'll look down in here and you'll see everything is running. Daniel was just putting up tools. So he's about around here. We have the 7-way installed, the box, all the cabling. That's all 6-gauge for running the batteries, so there'll be 2 batteries up here. And the rest of this trailer patches up here in the front. And you can see I put an almond primer on it so it doesn't stand out too bad, because this is a cream or an almond color. Still has its Good Sam sticker on the back. I don't think I like those anyhow, but the trailer fully finished on the outside. All the patches done, sealed up nicely, and that primer, the whole trailer will be officially repainted at some point, a more of a sand color, more like these panels than the original. And this side over here, the same thing, been silvered. All the tags will be coming off. These original RV tags will come off. And there's the other window. So we have 2 of the little bitty ones on one side. So, and on the other side, we have the one that is the escape grade window. We have the license plate and its light. And over here is the larger window, as you might have seen in the other videos, for an escape. You can actually get out of this one. The little ones you cannot. But it's completely done. Internally it's wired. Externally it's wired. The spring sets, all brand new springs, and equalizer are all going to be changed out, because I don't like that stamped steel one that's sitting down there. That's really a poor quality. So we're going to be changing that out. All the skirting is done here. So you see all the trim, and it goes up into the rib, and those are just those cheap Home Depot transition strips. I'll show you here, but just the simple transition strips. You can see it in another video. I introduced these. Now the kids, they worked on this trailer quite hard, and what they got out of the deal is these babies. So when y'all buy stuff from the link down below, the AliExpress link, it's right there in the bottom of the video. That's to sponsor some of the stuff they do or want. They get, like, I don't know, a penny on their spend. They don't get much, but you know, if a lot of people buy something, it builds up for them, and that way they can earn the money, and they did, to buy what they want. This one is Kira's and this one is Daniel's. Let's get this trailer out of this shop, and I'm going to show you it on the back of my truck. All right, let's get out there. All right, here we go. We're taking her out for her little maiden journey on the back of the old F-250. All right, guys, we got the Cargo Trailer Express. This thing here is designed just to be a work trailer on site. It's going to be painted up a lot prettier than it is right now, but fits good on the back of that F-250. Doesn't look too bad. 27-footer, air conditioned, better insulated. Got my pretty little lady on the back there, Mrs. Chrome, I guess. Nice little old-fashioned license tags. So what do you think? Cost me about a couple $100. Still got the fender flares to put on, working on them. Got our diesel heaters going to exhaust right there. Not too shabby, guys. I'm going to take that one in there and seal it up and use that as a moving trailer for someone. That was a freebie. But hey, look at this thing. Don't that look nice? For something the cops had to chase down the highway, it sure come out all right. All right, guys, y'all be good.